Luxury travel is undergoing a dramatic shift, embracing sustainability, personalization, and groundbreaking innovation. Wealthy travelers are no longer satisfied with just opulent accommodations or first-class flights. They want to experience the world in ways that are unique, meaningful, and exclusive. Whether it's venturing to the edge of space or indulging in hyper-luxurious wellness retreats, 2025 promises to be a transformative year for the high-end travel market. Number 10. Technology-infused travel experiences. In 2025, technology continues to be a game-changer in the travel industry, offering unprecedented levels of personalization and convenience. Luxury travelers now rely heavily on AI-powered tools to curate bespoke itineraries tailored to their preferences. These platforms analyze user behavior and suggest destinations, accommodations, and activities that align perfectly with individual tastes. Virtual reality also plays a significant role, allowing travelers to preview destinations and accommodations in immersive detail before booking. Imagine strolling through your luxury suite in the Maldives or taking a virtual safari tour in Kenya, all without leaving your living room. Smart hotel rooms are another hallmark of tech-enhanced travel. These rooms offer voice-controlled lighting, climate, and entertainment systems, ensuring that every aspect of the stay is tailored to the guest's desires. Some luxury properties even employ robotic butlers to deliver a futuristic touch of hospitality. From seamless booking processes to AI-driven concierge services, technology is reshaping the way affluent travelers experience the world. Number 9. Exclusive use escapes. Privacy over popularity. For the world's wealthiest travelers, privacy has become the ultimate luxury. Exclusive use properties, private islands, luxury villas, and chartered yachts are gaining immense popularity in 2025. These accommodations provide an unparalleled level of seclusion and personalization. Private islands, such as Fiji's Kokomo Island or Thailand's Koh Rang Noi, offer sprawling estates surrounded by pristine beaches, ensuring that guests can enjoy paradise without interruption. The trend extends to private yacht charters, where travelers can explore secluded coves and crystal-clear waters while enjoying the services of a dedicated crew. Meanwhile, luxury villas equipped with infinity pools, private chefs, and 24/7 concierge services allow travelers to indulge in comfort and exclusivity. This trend reflects a broader post-pandemic preference for intimate settings where privacy and personalized experiences reign supreme. Number 8. The revival of luxury sleeper trains. In an era dominated by air travel, luxury sleeper trains are making a spectacular comeback in 2025. These opulent rail experiences combine the romance of train travel with the sophistication of five-star accommodations. The Orient Express, synonymous with elegance and adventure, is launching new routes in Italy, including the highly anticipated La Dolce Vita. Passengers can journey through Rome, Venice, and Sicily, enjoying lavish suites, gourmet cuisine, and breathtaking landscapes along the way. In the UK, the Britannic Explorer is set to debut as one of the most luxurious sleeper trains ever conceived. With routes spanning England and Wales, this train offers private cabins, fine dining experiences overseen by Michelin-starred chefs, and curated excursions. For those seeking an unforgettable travel experience, luxury trains provide a slower, more immersive way to explore the world. Number 7. Culinary adventures. A feast for the senses. Food has become a centerpiece of luxury travel, with affluent travelers going to great lengths to indulge their culinary passions. In 2025, destinations known for their gastronomic excellence, like Italy, Japan, and France, are topping the bucket lists of gourmet enthusiasts. These travelers aren't content with simply dining at world-class restaurants. They seek immersive experiences that deepen their connection to local cuisines. Luxury culinary tours often include private cooking classes with renowned chefs, visits to bustling local markets, and exclusive wine tastings in historic vineyards. Some travelers even book entire gastronomic cruises, where every meal is curated by celebrity chefs, and onboard activities include masterclasses in culinary arts. This focus on food allows luxury travelers to engage with cultures in a way that is both sensory and deeply personal. Number 6. Wellness tourism. Mind, body, and soul. Wellness tourism has evolved from a niche market to a cornerstone of luxury travel in 2025. High net worth individuals are prioritizing their health and well-being, seeking retreats that offer holistic rejuvenation for the mind, body, and soul. Destination spas like Chavasam in Thailand and Rancho La Puerta in Mexico provide customized programs that include yoga, meditation, nutrition counseling, and advanced spa treatments. Digital detox retreats are also on the rise, catering to those who wish to disconnect from the constant barrage of notifications and reconnect with nature. Guests can expect serene settings from lush tropical forests to pristine mountaintop lodges, where technology is deliberately kept at bay. Additionally, wellness-focused resorts are incorporating medical tourism elements, offering anti-aging treatments, detox programs, and therapeutic services designed to leave guests feeling revitalized. Number 5. Sustainable and eco-friendly luxury. Sustainability has become a non-negotiable factor in luxury travel, with affluent travelers actively seeking eco-friendly options. Resorts like Sona Ajani in the Maldives have set the standard by employing renewable energy, offering zero-waste dining experiences, and engaging in marine conservation initiatives. Guests are encouraged to participate in activities like coral reef restoration, blending indulgence with responsibility. In 2025, carbon offsetting has become a mainstream offering among luxury travel providers, particularly for private jets and yachts. High-end travelers are also opting for eco-lodges and resorts that support local communities and contribute to conservation efforts. This trend reflects a growing desire among wealthy individuals to leave a positive impact on the places they visit while enjoying the finest luxuries. Number 4. Space tourism. Out-of-this-world experiences. If there's one trend that truly pushes the boundaries of luxury travel, it's space tourism. In 2025, companies like Space VIP and Space Perspective are taking the first steps toward making space travel accessible to the ultra-wealthy. Imagine floating 12 miles above Earth in a high-tech space balloon, sipping champagne while gazing at the planet's curvature. For those who want to go further, private astronaut training programs and zero-gravity experiences are becoming increasingly popular. These programs prepare travelers for future voyages to space stations or even the moon. While still in its infancy, space tourism represents the ultimate frontier for those who have already explored every corner of the Earth. Number 3. Nostalgic journeys. Rediscovering the past. Nostalgia is playing a significant role in shaping luxury travel trends for 2025, as travelers increasingly seek to reconnect with the romance of the past while indulging in modern luxuries. Wealthy travelers are drawn to experiences that evoke a sense of timeless elegance and charm, from cruising in vintage Rolls-Royces or Ferraris, along iconic routes like Italy's Amalfi Coast or France's Côte d'Azur, to savoring picnics prepared by Michelin-starred chefs against breathtaking backdrops. Historical immersion is another key aspect of this trend, with affluent explorers booking stays in meticulously restored castles, grand palaces, or boutique hotels that transport them to bygone eras. Guided tours of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, led by historians and cultural experts, provide captivating narratives that bring history to life, allowing travelers to step back in time and create unforgettable memories without sacrificing modern comforts or convenience. Number 2. Personalized and experiential travel. In 2025, luxury travel is all about personalization. Affluent travelers are no longer content with prepackaged vacations. They demand experiences that cater to their unique interests and passions. This trend includes everything from private fossil hunting expeditions with leading paleontologists to behind-the-scenes access to iconic landmarks like the Louvre or the Vatican. Experiential travel is also about creating unforgettable moments. Travelers can book private helicopter rides over Icelandic glaciers, arrange exclusive tango lessons in Buenos Aires, or secure front-row seats to Milan Fashion Week. These customized experiences ensure that every journey is as unique as the traveler themselves. Number 1. Ultra-luxury all-inclusive resorts. Topping the list of luxury travel trends in 2025 is the rise of ultra-luxury all-inclusive resorts. These properties are redefining what it means to be all-inclusive, offering everything from gourmet dining and premium beverages to exclusive excursions and wellness programs. Resorts like Dreams Madeira in Portugal and Amanpulo in the Philippines cater to travelers who want an effortless, comprehensive experience. What sets these resorts apart is their attention to detail. Guests can enjoy private pools, tailored spa treatments, and VIP service, all without worrying about hidden costs. For travelers who value convenience and indulgence in equal measure, ultra-luxury all-inclusives are the ultimate choice. And that's your passport to the hottest luxury travel trends of 2025. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping travel videos, and let us know in the comments, which trend would you splurge on first? See you in the next adventure.